Hello, everybody. Thank you. As usual, let's start with Zendo. So, for what regards the changes to allow the new kind of sidechains that don't need the season functionality, we closed all the activities related to the update of the fork manager class. And we also almost completed the development of the next changes that are concerning the block and the mempool validations. Currently, we are working on the RPC commands and the address indexing, and also on the unit and Python tests in parallel, after which we will go through the typical code review activities. Speaking about this new kind of sidechain, as anticipated during the last Weekly Insider, we have also been working on a new Zenip document that describes them. And obviously, we are going to make it public soon once all the review iteration is going to be finished. And so we will keep you posted about it. Then, on a different topic, last week we have also been investigating with the help of the infrastructure team a corner case that was blocking the Zen CAI on Travis. A fix was introduced with a dedicated pull request, which has already been subject to the code review, and that was successful, so PR was merged. Lastly, on Zendo, we are also supporting the documentation activities like sidechain fees from namechain perspective, and here, for example, backward transfer request and forward transfer fees, P2P network protocol, and CoinsView cache management. All this documentation material will obviously be published on our documentation portal once it's ready. Then, switching to SDK, and in particular for what regards Blaze, last week we achieved the completion of many tasks in preparation for the next Blaze version 050, and in particular we completed the improvements on verification keys generation, I mean with multiple seeds, and we completed the design of the wallet rescan logic, and we almost completed the implementation of the fork manager that was also tested. And apart from this, we're also reviewing the part that is concerning certificate validation of backward transfers limit. So, I mean, we introduced the backward transfer limit in the sidechain in order also, I mean, with that original design model where, let me say, the model is preventing someone to fill the limit, for example, in the first block. So, I mean, we took care of all these aspects, and currently the implementation is done, and the reviewing part is ongoing. So this was the update for what regards Blaze, and on the other hand, for what regards the EVM sidechain, we completed the support for the Ethereum receipts, and we also integrated the Ethereum Merkle tree and the Patricia tree, I mean. The gas fee management and EIP 1559 research was completed and shared. And we ran an internal demonstration last week showcasing the results obtaining with the advantages of the sidechain EVM milestone advancement, sorry, of the sidechain EVM milestone 1. So great progress also on the EVM sidechain project. Finally, on the proving system side, last week, as part of the ZK EVM implementation strategy, we went on with the analysis on the Plonkish arithmetization and there. And moreover, we have also been involved in several practical tasks, like, for example, writing a recursive program in order to understand the missing features and to detail existing problems. I mean, and here we are speaking, for example, about risk zero. We have been conducting several engineering sessions to better understand the architecture, the design, and the code base, and benching other simple programs. So, I mean, here, good progress in terms of better understanding and testing all the features and understanding the performances and benching. That is, let me say, quite an important step that is necessary for the next phases of the development. So, these were the main points for today. Now back to you. Thank you.